Today I'm going to show you how to make iced biscuits with fondant. This recipe makes approximately 30 biscuits. You will need 275 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 500 grams of fondant icing. You can have this any colour you want. I have just got a selection of colours, but if you want it white, if you want to mix your own, go for it. To a bowl, add your butter and your sugar and cream until well combined. Then add your egg and your vanilla extract and mix really well. Then finally add your plain flour and mix really well. You will find that as the mixture comes together, you'll probably need to use your hands to bring it together to make a really nice dough. Then once your dough is all together, pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to allow it to chill and cool down. By chilling the dough, it means the biscuits won't expand as much. Then, having floured our surface, roll out your dough. You want it to be about 1 centimetre thick. Then, using whichever shaped cookie cutters you'd like, just cut out your shapes. Each of my cookie cutters were about 5 centimetres wide, so if you use a bigger cookie cutter, then you'll get less biscuits. Then place your biscuits on a pre-lined baking tray. Make sure you don't cram them in too much because they will expand a little bit, so you want to make sure there's enough room in between them that they don't start touching. And bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are just about to colour. Then pop these to one side to allow them to cool. Then once cooled, to top them with fondant icing, knead your icing until it's soft and malleable and then roll out using a rolling pin. You want your icing to be quite thin. Then, using these same cookie cutters as you did for your biscuits, just cut out the shapes for the top. And then to attach them to the biscuits, just put a little bit of water on top of the biscuits and then the fondant icing on top, just pressing down to make sure it sticks. Then pop the biscuits to one side just to allow the fondant to harden. And there you have it. That's how you make iced biscuits with fondant.